In continuing my conversations about the birth rate decline, we go to Thailand. So this article is titled Thai Families Urged to Each Have at Least 2 Children as Birth Rate Falls. So, just an FYI, the Thai birth rate is 1.34 births per woman, and that's as of 2020. And you can see their trajectory down in blue. Each Thai family should aim to have at least 2 children to help halt the country's falling birth rate. So just so you know, this is crazy. The birth rates in Thailand each year from 1963 to 1983 were at a million, at least a million. But then the birth rate fell to 500,000 in 2022, and is likely going to be a little under 500,000 this year. Similar falling birth rates have been reported by 120 other countries, including China, Japan, Singapore, South Korea, and Vietnam. At the same time, the number of elderly citizens is rising. In 2021, Thailand became an aged society with people 60 years or older constituting 20% of its population. By 2036, the country will be a hyper-age society if this trend continues, with senior citizens making up 30% of its population. 2023 is the first year when the number of people becoming of working age 20 to 24 cannot make up the number of people leaving the workforce at age 60 to 64. Since 2016, the government had tried to encourage people to have more children, but these measures have not worked. Recent measures included the opening of more nurseries, improved rights to maternity and paternity leave, work from home policies, and flexible working hours. The government also postponed compulsory retirement and promoted retirement savings and vocational programs to help cope with an aged society. I wonder if they have tried asking women what more they need. I'm not sure about Thailand society, if it is highly conservative or patriarchal. If it's anything like China, South Korea, and those countries over there that are experiencing the same thing, it is probably male leadership that's not listening to women. So I didn't know if Thailand is more of a patriarchy, so I looked it up. So it says that sometimes they do refer to Thailand as a patriarchy, and this circled piece right here might explain why some women are opting out. Thai men can certainly get away with more bad behavior, such as abandoning their wives and children, than in the West due to lack of child support and spousal support laws. So it looks like Thailand has a female prime minister, but it was saying here that don't use that as a way to act like that this isn't a patriarchy. It says Thailand is a patriarchal society with an old boys club network. This part that I want to highlight here, it says that while Thai women do suffer abuses at the hands of Thai men, which should not be glossed over, it's also fair to say that Thai women form the backbone of the country and wield great influence when it appears like the boys are in charge. I only did this quick search because what I'm noticing with many of these societies that have a declining birth rate is that many times the women are not being listened to, and that's because most of the leadership is male. And this seems to be what's going on here, but I'm not exactly familiar with Thai culture, so you guys can weigh in if you know more. Anyways, like, comment, and share the post.